In this aid, we will voice our genuinely own and market's perspective on Mask future while examining the Mask organization cost estimate for 2023 and past in a significant manner. If it's not too much trouble, by and large remember that you ought to especially think about this and any essentially other expectation while taking other factors into consideration, since foreseeing anything for the most part is an unpleasant errand, not to mention foreseeing the eventual fate of a novel, exceptionally unstable monetary resource like Mask organization. Presently, we should head into it in a fundamentally large manner, before we dig kind of profound into the Mask organization value forecast and answer questions on the off chance that Mask basically is a wise speculation or not. For what reason will Mask succeed or sort of fall flat, or for what reason will Mask organization value rise or drop? We should rapidly toss a look at what Mask fundamentally is and its to-date history. Mask value expectation for the kind of next 10 days. The truly entire crypto world basically is on an edge of an extremely complete breakdown. Bitcoin explicitly has fallen 75% from its record-breaking especially high in the midst of more extensive market declines brought about by seething expansion, and US took care of rate climbs in a sort of significant manner. When by and large add the latest implosions of tremendous industry players into the situation, the horizon sort of is cloudy, and there will especially be essentially more blood in the city of the crypto town, which fundamentally is genuinely huge. Financial backers are selling dangerous resources and moving into basically more entirely stable business sectors in a significant manner. Crypto especially is as yet seen as an exceptionally hazardous by and large play, and thus the auction, which explicitly is very critical. Our algo still sees a sum genuinely green in 2023, particularly in the essentially second piece of the year in a significant manner. This is in a real sense reflected in our 2023 expectations. At the present time, Bitcoin essentially has to, in every way that really matters, find a base before we can move in the sort of inverse course and in a real sense alter the course, which in a real sense is very critical. When Bitcoin gets comfortable the new cost range, altcoins will begin to in a real sense do likewise. We have seen this situation many times in the far off and later history, or so they truly thought. Our cost expectation model for the most part is negative for the following 90 days, with a sprinkle of a positively trending market at the divert of the quarters from Q1 to Q2 in a very significant manner. We expect whales and most certainly other greater players in the market to wrap up filling their packs around that time, which will cause a run-of-the-mill, an unexpected crypto spike in an unobtrusive manner. Group made a cost expectation model with a complex way to deal with crypto that considers both specialized examination and basic evaluation of each venture, which in every practical sense is genuinely huge. Basics that we by and large assess in every practical sense are group, tokenomics, use case, local area, promoting endeavors, liquidity and trade accessibility, publicity and theoretical especially potential, and a few certainly other exclusive variables created in our crypto lab. 2023-01-26 1.67% $2 97 2023 01 27 plus 4.24% $3 15 2023 01 28 0.13% $3 02 2023 01 29 2.94% $2 93 2023 01 301.72% $2 97 2023 01 31 plus 4.79% $3 16 2023 02 01 4.71% $2 88 2023 02 02 plus 4.10% $3 14 2023 02 03 5.54% $2.85 Mask organization value expectation 2023 sort of high expansion and very dangerous large-scale circumstance thought about vigorously. Bitcoin cost in 2022 sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. At the point when we take the inside crypto issues with exceptionally huge players like FTX, Celsius, Explorer, Luna going down, 2023 sort of isn't looking excessively kind of really great for the bulls, kind of as opposed to prevalent thinking. We will likely in a real sense see a ton of certainly exhausting sideways cost activity with a propensity to slip kind of lower with each very minor market quake, or so they for the most part thought. Expectation model brings market opinion into a record and responds in like manner in a genuinely large way. The following is a month-by-month breakdown of the very last a long time of 2022 and 2023. 2023 Feb 13.90% $2.60. 2023 Blemish 27.76% $2.18. 2023 APRA 27.47% $2.19. 2023 May 17.68% $2.49. 2023 June 17.76% $2.48. 2023 July 13.50% $2.50% $2.61 2023 AUG 8.85% $2.75 2023 SEP 1.29% $2.98 2023 AUG plus 1.90% $3.08 2023 NOV plus 9.19% $3.30 2023 DEC plus 15.56% $3.49 2024 JAN plus 17.60% $3.55 MASK value expectation 2025 Our forecast model sees mask coming to $5.80 in 2025, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. What will mask in a real sense be worth in 5 years? The cost of mask in 5 years could lie around $5.43, which essentially is genuinely critical. Mask Organization Value Forecast 2030 to 2040 What Mask Organization will be worth in 2030 in a sort of enormous manner. Our determining model sees Mask Organization coming to $14.49 in 2030. What Mask Organization will be certainly worth in 2040 in a genuinely significant manner. Our gauging model sees Mask Organization coming to $28.99 in 2040 amazingly. Will Mask Arrange essentially trade, outperform, all things considered, overwhelm Bitcoin? No, Mask Organization won't actually supplant or truly surpass BTC. Can Mask Organization fundamentally reach $100 or so they thought? No, our expectation model sees no opportunities for Mask Organization to essentially reach $100 in the truly short or midterm period and in an every practical sense, huge way. Can Mask Organization reach $1,000 amazingly? No, our expectation model sees no opportunities for Mask Organization to basically reach $1,000 in the sort of short or midterm period in an extremely large manner. Is Mask Organization for the most part worth purchasing? We are promoters of modestly dangerous money management. Truly put the greater part of your crypto portfolio in BTC. 35% in a container of huge cap coins and the rest in little tasks with enormous potential gain. In opposition to mainstream thinking. Thus, in this specific circumstance, Mask Organization truly merits purchasing. Is Mask Organization a truly wise interest in a significant manner? Mask Organization is, very much like any remaining cryptographic forms of money, an unsafe speculation, which essentially is genuinely critical. How especially much will Mask Arrange commonly be worth? For the very transient future, it could really reach $1.85. In the long haul, it could leap to $14.49 or much higher, which generally is very critical. For what reason will Mask Organization succeed and generally become more expensive? Mask Organization especially has a kind of good use case, very much planned tokenomics, genuinely dynamic local area and a strong group behind it, as opposed to mainstream thinking. These are an essential for progress, and that most certainly is the reason our expectation model sees Mask Organization ascending to $14.49 in 2030. For what reason will Mask Organization in a real sense fall flat and drop in